Once upon a time, in a tiny village nestled between tall trees, lived a man named Mr. Green. Mr. Green had a heart as big as the sky, and he loved birds more than anything else in the world. Every morning, Mr. Green would wake up with the sun and open his window to greet the birds. He loved their beautiful songs, the way they fluttered about, and the splash of colors they brought to his daily life. One day, Mr. Green noticed that the birds were no longer visiting his garden. He was worried and wondered what had happened. He decided to ask the village elder, old Mr. Owl, for help. Old Mr. Owl was wise and kind. He listened to Mr. Green's concern and told him that the birds had disappeared because there were no more flowers in the village. Without flowers, the birds had no food or nesting places. Mr. Green was saddened but not defeated. He decided to plant flowers all over the village to bring the birds back. He worked tirelessly, planting seeds, watering them, and waiting for them to grow. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Mr. Green didn't give up, even when the flowers didn't grow as quickly as he had hoped. He knew that good things take time and patience. Finally, one day, Mr. Green saw a small bird perched on a newly bloomed flower. Then another, and another. Before he knew it, the village was filled with the beautiful sounds of birdsong once again. Mr. Green was overjoyed, and the villagers thanked him for his hard work. The birds were back, and the village was more beautiful than ever. Mr. Green's love for birds had not only saved them but also brought happiness to everyone in the village. From that day forward, Mr. Green continued to care for the birds, and the birds continued to bring joy to the village. And so, the story of the man who loved birds became a legend, a reminder to always love and care for the creatures that make our world more beautiful. The end.